All right, folks, since we're doing a test here, I'm gonna stop the machine. I know it's not good to interrupt some of these machines, but let's bring this guy here, kilowatt meter. I want to monitor my power I'm taking off from my system and see how much kilowatts this thing generating, how much money it costs me to do laundering for a month. How many times I do laundering, then this thing is gonna tell me. Okay, all right, let's do this. I just unplugged the wire, and let's see right here. I'm gonna be plugging in the kilowatt meter, and you guys know what it is. Uh-oh, the wire just fall. So it's bringing my house power is a good power, 122 volt. So we can able to set this guy here. Okay, if we can erase the setting that we have there. Sure, we already erased. And let's go back, reset, make sure we erase everything. So now we're gonna start. Set this thing. Okay, so my electricity bill for winter is 9 cents a kilowatt. Less 9 cents. So all right, we're almost there. We'll bring it to 9 cents. 0.9. All right, so 0.9 cents kilowatts. I just pushed that, you guys didn't see. So press sure. That's it. It's there. Let's see. I'll bring you back to it. See that? 0.9, 0.009 set. So now we already set the amount, and we're gonna see how much it's gonna cost us doing laundering. Just monitor everything, how many kilowatts we use, how many amps we're gonna be taking, how many watts we're gonna be taking, and from there it's gonna tell us the dollar bill. All right, go folks, take care, subscribe, like, and share. GW Solar USA. Well, this is a good tool to have. If you don't have one, this is very handy. I encourage you to pick up one on your local stores or online, whatever. It's not too expensive, so it's gonna tell you exactly what are your appliances. So this is, if you want to go solar, check some of my videos about kilowatt meter. You will see how this thing works. And this is just a quick setup. This is a different one. This is the P3, and I can able to take this one off and give you the specs on the back. So look for the P4460.01 kilowatt. So this one can tolerate up to about 1800 watt of solar at 15 amps. Remember, this machine is a 10 amp. When we went through the specs earlier, you guys see it's not overrated. So now we're gonna plug this guy back in, but we gotta make sure that our setting, everything is there. This meter, that's a good thing about this meter. This meter saves everything. Even if you unplug it, electricity is out, you are still gonna be having readings are stored in this device. So we're gonna plug this guy in, but let's set it back to the watt. Okay, shows watts right there. Let's plug this guy in. Okay, just on standby, on phantom load, nothing. This is what the point I was gonna make, just to show you guys that even machines just sit, the power is not on, they will take power. Now I unplug the cord. See that? 0, 0. This machine is not drawing anything from the grid. Nothing for just staying there. But look at this. I'm gonna plug this bad guy in. and the machine is not even turned on. It's pulling 1.2 watt. You see that spike earlier, and now it's pulling about 0.8 watt without doing nothing. So you never realize that how these machines are taking phantom loads just doing nothing. So like trickle charge. So let's see, turn this machine on. Now I already interrupted the wash here, and let's see. From there, it's gonna analyze itself. You guys can see all the lights are on, and from there we're gonna fire up this machine. Now it's pulling 0.9 watt. So let's go. It's trying to, it has a load sense on this thing. It senses everything. So analyze. So let's see what's the wattage this thing's gonna pull. Now it's analyzing if the water is enough, at the load inside, the capacity, and weighing everything. From there, you're gonna see how it started doing the laundering, changing gears, all kind of weird noises it's doing. He knows. I interrupted the wash anyway, but anyway, this is how we're gonna do this wash, and let's see. That's the part right there. There you go. Started doing the laundering. 460. The highest peak. 5. See that? See how weird? 500 watts. 514 is the highest I've seen. So let's check the amps. Let's see what's the amps we pull in here, just so you guys can have a clear understanding. See that? 5 point something amps. 5.09. This is the amps it's taking out. So if you multiply, remember the voltage was 122.2, something like that, times 5 amps. So it tells you exactly how much kilowatts of power you're drawing from the electricity. So let's go back. Look at that. Well, this is how I'm wrapping up the video, just to show you that never trust anything they said energy efficient. Plug it in and see what exactly that thing is doing. Look at that. Spikes about 526 watts. The same cycle. So watch out for what you read on the paper. Watch out for what you're buying, and this is what you're gonna get. So they have good, but I'm not gonna be so friends with this one. We're not gonna be friendly at all. Alright, take care. JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Bye now. Subscribe, like, and share.